Shalom and welcome back to Hebrew with Ben. In this lesson, we are going to be talking about the tzere nikud sign. The nikud sign tzere indicates the vowel e. Similar to cholam, tzere comes in two possible forms, male or full, and chaser or missing. tzere chaser is represented by two dots underneath the letter. tzere male representation is similar with the addition of a mother of reading added after the decorated letter. Let's see some examples. The word on the screen is zetim. Zetim. Look at the letter Zayin. It is decorated with tzere and followed by a mother of reading, Yod. In this case, it is tzere male. This is a good time to talk about the two forms of tzere pronunciation. First, as I mentioned above, both tzere male and tzere chaser indicate the vowel e. Even so, some Hebrew speakers, depending on their ethnic origin, may pronounce the tzere as a instead of e. For example, you may sometimes hear the word zetim pronounced as zeitim. Can you hear the difference? Zeitim instead of zetim. This difference in pronunciation is common in modern Hebrew due to Hebrew speakers blending different language traditions borrowed from other languages. Another example is the word Elat. Elat. You may hear some people say Eilat. Eilat. This phenomenon is not consistent in speech, so you can hear some people alternate between the pronunciations regardless of their lingual traditions. The factor that contributes the most to the usage of the A pronunciation alternative is the letter Yod added as a mother of reading to tzere. It pushes the speaker to add the Yod sound to the syllable. Is there a correct modern Hebrew pronunciation? According to the Academy of the Hebrew Language, the first alternative is closer to the ancient pronunciation of tzere. We should say Elat, Zetim, and not Eilat, Zeitim. Let's continue with more examples. The word on the screen is Sefer. The first letter Samech is decorated with tzere chaser and becoming Se. Next, we have the letter P without dagesh decorated with segol. That gives us Fe. The next word is harbe. We start with the letter he, decorated with patach. The last syllable is the letter bet, decorated with tzere. To conclude tzere, let's see the following table. We saw that tzere can have two forms, male and chaser. Tzere indicates the vowel e. That is all for today. In the next lesson, I will show you the chirik nikud sign. Thank you for watching and see you next lesson.